Lead role parang.
Grabe, talagang pinag-arapan ko to kasi syempre I auditioned for this. We were up against I think 50 other candidates. So grabe po talaga yung hirap na binigay ko dito sa role na to.
Anong sabi ni kuya mo na lead role ka na, hindi lang siya yung artista, ikaw artista ka na rin?
Sobrang saya niya para sa akin. Siyempre, palagi po sinasabi, wala pong Emilio Diaz dito kung wala pong Mikel Diaz. So, I owe a lot to him. He's been my guiding light. He is always there behind me. He's one of my biggest supporters and I love him very much.
May pressure ba on your part na kumbaga Mikel Diaz yung brother mo, tapos may pressure na sana galingan ko din para hindi naman pahiya yung kapatid ko? Parang gano'n. Ganun ba?
Wala, I wouldn't say it's pressure, pero siyempre, gusto kong galingan para din sa pamilya ko, especially for Mikel kasi ang dami din niyang pinaghirapan sa channel niya and ang dami niyang ginanap na projects and I know the dedication that he puts into, so it would be a disservice if I didn't do the same.
Malaking factor ba on your part na pumasok ka sa PBB? Kung bakit ngayon mas kilalang kilala ka? Kasi you are, kumbaga, napanood nationwide.
Opo. Ako, for me, I always say this po, PBB has been one of the biggest blessings for me this year. Grabe. Siyempre, very unexpected kasi nag-audition din pa ako para doon. And alam kong madami pong pangarap na makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. Kasi pong karangalan na kasama na rin po ako doon. And I will never forget it.
Pero anong reaction mo na first lead role mo pero medyo BL yun?
For me naman, it's not a problem kasi I'm an actor. And I am open talaga to act in any project as long as it's given to me because I'm new to this industry. So, ayun po.
So wala kang mga hesitation?
No, there's no hesitations. I'm an actor and I will do my best. Always.
May kayo?
Makita niyo.
Ano yung advice na in case
Sabi niya, mahalin mo ang press kasi sila yung mga kaibigan mo. So, yan ang gagawin ko.
Pero as a PBB, kumbaga malapit na rin yung big night, di ba? Ikaw personally, sino yung big four na inaasam mo na sana
ang
makapasok?
big four ko, Mili and Shukla.
Para sa labas na.
Yes. Yan ang big four ko.
Any memorable experience sa PBB na hindi malilimutan?
Siyempre, hindi ko talaga malilimutan yung last week ko doon kasi naging task leader ako and it was a dream of mine to be a task leader and siyempre, napanalo namin yung task na yun. So, yeah.
Pero kanina Emil, sabi mo wala kang hesitations, wala kang limitations. Who knows, baka may mga malalaki pang offer sa'yo with the same team. Willing ka ba to, to have a kissing scene with a kapwa lalaki?
Ako po, I'm very new to this industry, so every opportunity po is a blessing for me. I don't know what the future holds. That's management's decision, but I am an actor and that's what I will do.
Lagi namin tinatanong doon sa mga lumabas sa bahay ni Kuya, paano yung CR experience nyo doon? Di ba parang ang hirap kasi, di ba?
Oo, pero nag-practice ako doon kasi si Megan, yung kapatid ko, she told me already na mag-practice ka sa bahay, mag-shower ka with underwear. So, yun yung ginawa ko.
hindi ka naman natakot na baka masalitan?
Ay, hindi, okay lang. Kasi kahit buksan nila, may damit pa rin ako. So, no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Support Love at First Sight. Salamat.